Hello everybody, once again. Uh, Today's video is about how to create menu in WordPress website. So it's very easy to create a menu in WordPress website. The main navigation menu of your website. You can create main menu, bottom menu or footer menu, top menu, the various options available, but all these options depends upon WordPress theme to theme. So as we are using the 7 theme for this particular demonstration, so let's get into the website for which we are to create a main menu. So to create a menu, again log into your WordPress dashboard, and after logging into your WordPress dashboard, look for option appearance. It's here. Under appearance, you will see menu option. I'll just follow the menu option. Now under this screen, you will see we have options to create a menu. There are already pre-built menu available which were installed during the demonstration data. Now on the left hand side we have various items which we can place under the menu items. We can place pages to be the part of main menu, and we can place the post on the main menu. We can create custom links in the main menu. We can add block categories or product categories within the menu. So how to create menu? But before that, there are few options which may not be available by default, but we need to uh, open those options under this screen option from the top. So rest assured your link target is checked. Your link target is checked. If you are creating menu for any e-commerce website using WooCommerce, then product categories here should be checked, and that's it. Pages post will be by default checked. Custom link again and categories will be by default checked, and then again click on screen options to close it. Now I'm proceeding with creating a new menu by clicking this option create a new menu. Once I click here, it will ask for menu name. I'm giving any random name for the menu, new main menu, and I want to make it a primary menu. I'll just show you where it appears. Now click on button create menu. Now this menu has been created. Now I'm opening the front end of the website to show you where the main menu will appear. Main menu will always appear on the top of this of every website. You can see this is the default menu over here. Now we are to replace this menu with our own custom made menu. Now again going back to the dashboard. So from this section left hand side, add menu items. As I mentioned, either we can add pages, post, custom links, block categories, product categories, etc. So we are to pull these items, whatever we want to place on the main menu at a parent level, we are to check those items. Like I want to place home page, by default all the pages may not be visible, so for that you have to click view all. So when you click on view all the pages will be visible. I want to place products page on the main menu, contact page on the main menu, blog, and is there anything else which may be useful, or the shop page. Instead of products, I want to place shop page on the main menu of the website. So once I check these items, you should click this add to menu button. So by clicking this add to menu button, will place all these selected items to the menu. Add to menu. All these items have appeared here. Now home page with slideshow, we can always modify the labels manually also. So like click on this arrow key and I just want to remove this section. I just want only home should appear in the menu item. Once you make any changes or with any of the menu label or item, don't forget to save your menu. So as you can see, I have placed these four menu items and I made it a primary menu. So I'll go back to the website and refresh this page. You will see this menu will be replaced with the new created navigation menu. See, this menu is home, blog, contact, and going back again check home, blog, contact, and show. So these items have become the parent level items of main menu. For example, if we want to place any sub menu items with this parent labels, so how we can place those items? So I'll go back to, let's say, product categories, and from this again I can click on view all to see all. Now I want to place clothing with the same nomenclature. I want clothing should be the main menu item, and when I place my cursor on clothing item within the menu, so these sub menu should appear. So I'll just check few of them and again click on add to menu. Now to make any item as a sub menu to the main parent level item, you have to just place any menu item to the right side like this. So you can see these are labeled just to the right hand side. Now once we have placed this, again don't forget to save this and go back to the main front page, refresh it and check for the changes. Now see cloth, and under cloth we have these sub menu items, and you can see we have these sub menu items over here. So this way you can place sub menu items like this. It is up to you how you want to uh, prepare your main navigation bar of the website. And this was about adding pages and the product categories to the main menu. So if we want to place any custom link, the link to the external website, so for that click here on this arrowhead to expand this option for the custom link. So I want that some outside website like any website related to institute, I just labeled the menu item as an institute, and here you have to provide with the link of an institute, https, then I selected this institution and then click on add to menu. So you can see this institute labeled menu item has been placed within the main menu. Uh, there is one more change if you want to do. Now in the beginning I told you to go to this screen options section from the top and rest assured that this link target option is checked. So as a result you will get this option, open link in a new tab. When you check this box and save the menu, now whosoever clicks on this institute tab, the new window will be opened, and in new window the linked link will be opened. Now I'm going back to the front end of the website and refresh the page again. Now see, this institute tab is there. Now when I click here, you will see new tab, new window will be opened and the site will be opened in the new window. See, this new window has been opened and the site is opened under this new window. So this is how you can create the main menu of your website. Now similarly you can create the footer or bottom menu of the website. Again you can go back to create menu and give name to the menu as a footer menu and place the items, and from this section menu settings, instead of primary menu you should select the bottom menu, and then that menu will appear at the bottom of each and every page. So that's all with creation of these menu items for the WordPress website. Feel free to query any questions if you have in the comment section.